All right, 1 point inequalities from the number line. Again, we're just trying to get 10 out of 10. So which inequality is represented on the line? My graph is less than -3. So boom. All right, now, it's blurry. My graph is less than or equal to -1. Now my graph is greater than -10. And my graph is less than -5. My graph is less than, so my arrow is going to point to the left, less than 8. My graph is less than 0. No equal sign. My graph is greater than 8 with an equal sign because it's filled in. My graph is greater than -5 without an equal sign. My graph is greater than or equal to -1. My graph is less than or equal to 5. My graph is less than or equal to 2. Oh, and I'm at 11, so I can go ahead and click stop.